25,000 to 50,000 AH, which is your lifetime of the light. From 35 to 5500 Kelvin, it is aluminum alloy desk lamp, 110 volts, and it goes as low as 10% to 100%. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside. For further detail, check online about information. This is well packed, well thought of. So let's open this up. Get a manual, an Allen key, the mounting base, silicone, aluminum alloy, metal. A USB-C right angle, power supply, wrapped up lamp that you're going to assemble. This is where the other end plugs into. You get the base that has silicone, a knob, 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of interest, and it looks like a 1/4 20 thread that you take this off. And if you want to change your angle, you place it here to lock the back in, and you simply screw it back on. You get an Allen key so you could increase the tightness. It sits on the table like so. You plug in your power. You put in your arm. You lock down, and you can swivel the base. Be careful about your cord wrapping up. The arm extends a number of ways. It opens up. The bottom will adjust all the way down and all the way back to a certain amount of distance. This part of the arm will lift up all the way around to a certain distance and back down. This part of the arm would bend all the way back and close. The top arm is going to turn and swivel almost 360 degrees, so please be careful. The arm has a light over here as well as over here. The controls are over here. The top of the base over here turns. So you have a lot of throw of this unit. Short press the positive button, the auxiliary light goes on. Short press the negative button, the auxiliary goes off. If you increase, you can increase one or both depending on what you do. The unit has a timer. What you do is short press the on and off, long press. First time activates for 15 minutes. The lamp should flash twice for it. The indicator is on the actual unit and not the light. The blue light will flash. Long press. That is 15 minutes. Long press. And this will blink twice for 45 minutes, just demonstrating in the dark for you. It can be an excellent light for working over your desk, a workbench, where you need to have light anywhere and adjust it and angle it. It is a nice light, very foldable and collapsible. And if you don't want this to move and lock it into place, there you go. I hope you enjoy your light, depending on what you have use for. Enjoy your product if this lamp is right for you.